Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can take your standard AirPod case, turn it into a wireless charging case with this. Happy New Year. It's great to be back uploading here in this brand new year. I hope 2020 is an awesome year for you. But today, let's talk about AirPods. I absolutely love my AirPods. If you have them, I hope you love them as well. These are just the standard Series 1 AirPods. They don't have the wireless charging case. I could purchase a charging case if I wanted to for this, and that's something to think about. I believe if you just purchase the case, it's like $79 from Apple. So keep that in mind as you watch this video to determine what you should do for you and what would work better for you. Recently, this company called Pitaka, I believe that's how you pronounce them, they reached out to me and offered to send me one of these. This is the AirPod Pal. This is the Essentials Edition. This is their wireless charging case. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Other than the user's manual, there are three things included with this. First off is the charging case itself, which is just really an awesome looking case. This has 100% aramid fibers on it, and that is the fibers that are pretty much used in stuff like bulletproof vests, those sort of things. So yeah, this should be a pretty tough case. It also has some weight to it, and that's because it has a built-in 1200 milliamp battery. So this is essentially also a battery pack. Secondly, it does come with a charging cable that you can plug up. It's USB-C, so that way you can actually charge this. Even if you don't have a wireless charger, you can actually go ahead and charge this case up. And it also comes with this little adapter dongle. This will actually let you plug the USB cable that comes with it into this and charge your iPhone. This has a lightning connector on it, so this will allow you to actually charge your device other than your AirPods. You can actually use this just like a power bank. Installation is really simple. Take your AirPods, press them down into that, and that's all there is to it. Your AirPods are installed. If you turn around to the back, you can actually see it has a clip. So you can actually clip this to your belt, or if you were using some kind of backpack, you could clip it to the strap on your backpack, anything like that. So yeah, now you have a case that actually also works as a little holster. It's charging your AirPods right now. We can also lay this on a Qi wireless charger, and we have wireless charging AirPods now. There's a little power button on the bottom right next to the port where you can actually plug it in. And once you hit that power button, then is when the AirPods actually start charging. And this will work with pretty much any wireless charger. However, Pitaka decided that they would send me one of their wireless chargers as well. This is what they call the Pitaka Air Essential. It's a trio coil 10 watt fast wireless charging pad. And when you open this up, it looks just as amazing as the AirPod case itself. It has that same aramid fibers to it. So yeah, this looks fantastic. When you flip it around to the bottom, it's extremely shiny. And yeah, it's one of those that's going to collect all kinds of fingerprints, but it does have the little rubber bumpers, the little feet there to keep this from sliding. Overall, this is a great looking wireless charger. However, here's my biggest downfall. The only other thing that comes with this wireless charger besides the user's manual is this, just a USB-C charging cable. It does not come with a wall adapter to power your wireless charger. And I know what you're saying, everybody has wall adapters. However, not all of them are 10 watt wall adapters. And if this is a 10 watt charger, you're only going to get 10 watt fast charging if your wall adapter is a 10 watt charger or more. So yeah, Pitaka, if you're going to watch this, I really wish you would include a wall adapter or just make your cable where it plugs directly into the wall itself. I actually prefer that method over having several of the wall adapters. This looks great, and yeah, I just really wish there was a wall adapter or some way that you didn't have to worry about finding a 10 watt wall adapter to actually power this to 10 watts. But when you plug this up, the lights do come on it, and the wireless charging is working. All we have to do now is take our little wireless charging case and lay it on top of the charger. So we don't lay it down with the clip part, we lay it down the other side. So we're going to lay it just like this on the wireless charger. And once you get in the right spot, it'll start charging. you'll see the lights on the charging pad start blinking, as well as the light on the bottom of the case start blinking, and you know it is wirelessly charging. Just so you know, I couldn't get it to charge this direction. I had to make sure it was laid lengthwise along the charging pad to ever get it to work. And remember I told you that I could purchase a wireless charging case for my AirPods from Apple for $79? Well, if you purchase this right now on Pitaka's website, I believe the price is listed at $69. So it does come with a little bit of a price tag. However, this has the 1200 milliamp battery, battery pack that is built in. So you're not getting just something to charge AirPods. This will charge other devices as well. So yeah, you have to kind of keep that in mind, whether it's worth the difference or not. I'm not sure. So yeah, right now $69 for this, but be sure and check the link in the description below to see what the current price of it is. It may have dropped, it may have went up, I don't know. So go ahead and check those links down below. Let me know down in the comments, what is your thought on this? Do you have AirPods? Do you use the wireless charging case from Apple? Or what do you use to charge your AirPods? Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.